Let's start with land transportation. This is truck. Can you say with me? This is a truck. It's big and strong, carrying lots of things from one place to another. Scooter. Meet the scooter. It's a small two-wheeler perfect for zipping around town. School bus. Look at this yellow bus. It's a school bus, and it takes kids to and from school safely. Helicopter. Say hello to the helicopter. It can fly up in the sky and even land in tight spots. Bicycle. Here's a bicycle. It has two wheels and pedals. Great for exercise and fun rides. Ambulance. This is an ambulance. It rushes to help people who are sick or injured. Police car. Check out the police car. It helps keep our neighborhoods safe and sound. Train. Here comes the train. Trains ride on tracks and can take us to faraway places. Motorcycle. And here's a motorcycle. It has two wheels and is perfect for a thrilling ride. Van. This is a van. Vans are like big cars and can carry a bunch of people or things. Airplane. Look up. It's an airplane. Airplanes help us travel long distances in the sky. Ship. This is a ship. Ships sail on the water, taking us on adventures across the sea.